focus. This is what's referred to as the automatic transmission control module. This is the part number for it. All damage reverse. L34T189EIA. For specifically for a 2007 Mazda 3. Remove this guy. Battery cover. Remove this guy. What was this, too big? Remove the battery terminals. Remove the battery holder. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Remove this. Remove this guy from right here. Then after that, there's going to be 3 bolts holding onto the bucket. 1, 2, 3. Fortunately for you, they're all 10 millimeters. So let me get these guys out. Let me get them out. It would definitely make it a lot more easier if you remove these 2 clips. All we gotta do is just bring this little white guy up here, slide them up, and then you should be able to just pull them off. And it's the same thing for both. And after that, they should be able to come off after these 3 10mm bolts are out. Let me just, there we go. Set that over there. I'd say we're nearly done. That's the old one right there. So there's gonna be 3 bolts. One here, and one right there in the front. You can't really see it because of this bracket, but they're all 10. So they're all 3, and then after that, just remove this guy, just like that, and that's it. Get them out of there. Alright, and here's just a side-by-side comparison of the 2. This one's the old one, this one's the new one. One of the ways I can tell the difference is that, well, this one doesn't even have the retainer to hold the bolt on. And that's just common sense that this one is old. Just focus. Oh yeah. Part number L34T189EIA. And here's the new one. L34T189EIA. So yeah, they're compatible. Alright, let's go ahead and put this new one in and see how it works.
Wow.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and try to turn it on. Now that we replaced the transmission control module.
Yes.
Right, Dilo?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how this goes.
Oh my god, no. Somebody say.
Alright, well, I don't have anything anymore. Or a check engine light for that matter. Let me go to my... Hold on, baby, hold on.
With a lot of money? Damn much. Cause I'm charging the phone. Look at all the money, Kala. Kala, try not try to work. Oh, do try to work. I'm gonna leave your phone right there.
Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hope that helped you guys out. Make sure tell them, make sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos.
No, let me subscribe.
Okay, you do it.
And guys, now we're done.
We're done, huh? There we go. Time to go drive it around. Alright, so we've been driving around for a little over 30 minutes. We went to the park, and now I'm just leaving the car here running. And nothing's coming on, not even the check engine light. So I guess that pretty much wraps it up. Alright, if you guys were able to fix your issue, be sure to give me a like, comment on anything that you may have come across of that you didn't see on the video, and subscribe. There will be way more content coming up real soon.